Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Sorry about that. My Wi-Fi cut out there for a second. Yani, all I'll do is I'll blame the Chinese government. They're probably trying to hack on this system. That's all we should be doing, eh? But as I mentioned in the ad, we've got a very special guest. We have comparative religionist, political philosopher, author and debater Mohammed Hijab joining us. And we'll be discussing the practical things that any individual, any group of people or organizations can do to help the Uyghurs in any way they can. Anyways, enough of me going on. We've started late. I'd like to welcome to the show Brother Mohammed Hijab. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brother. Sorry about all that. Brother, your mic is... There we go. Akhi, wallah, I can't hear the mic. There seems to be off for some reason. Can you check it? Nothing. Subhanallah. I had a great interview like an hour ago. Subhanallah. Have you got headphones? Subhanallah. Anyways, brothers and sisters, yeah, subhanallah. Anyways, inshallah, once we get the sound up, we'll have a nice interview. I guess this is what sometimes happens with live interviews from time to time. It's a first for me, generally speaking. Can't hear anything. Why is that the case? You know what it is? The first time, subhanallah. You want to try reconnecting? I'll take you off and I'll try and reconnect you again. Like hop back on. Yeah. Anyways, brothers, that's what sometimes seems to happen. Inshallah, we get the sound working. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure what that issue is. Let's see. Any problems on my side? No, it should be okay. You guys can hear me okay, right? Now? Allahu Akbar. No, nothing, bro. I don't... Subhanallah. Should we try once more? And then if it doesn't work, then, you know... Huh? Nothing, bro. They can hear me, but not Hijab for your info. It's very strange. Let's try one more. Third time's a charm. You know, we don't believe in superstition, but, you know... All right, I'll quickly reset it if that's cool, and then if it doesn't happen, yani, then it was, you know, predestination. All right.